In this video, I'll show you how to fix the PayPal error where things don't appear to be working at the moment. This error usually shows up during checkout when you click the Buy Now button or try to complete a payment with PayPal. It can happen for a few common reasons, such as incorrect account details, incomplete PayPal setup, or certain payment security settings that block the transaction. The good news is that, in most cases, this issue can be fixed directly from your PayPal account settings in just a few minutes. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, log into your PayPal account and check your account details. Make sure your email address is confirmed and your profile information is complete. If PayPal detects missing or incorrect details, it may temporarily block payments and show this error during checkout. After confirming your account details, click the gear icon at the top to open PayPal settings. From there, go to Products and Services, then select Website Payments. Under Website Payments, click on Website Preferences to open the Payment Settings page. Scroll down until you find the Encrypted Website Payments section. Here, look for the option that says Block Non-Encrypted Website Payments. Make sure this option is turned off. If it's enabled, PayPal can reject payments from certain websites, which often triggers this error message. Turn it off and save the changes. Once that's done, go back to the website where you were trying to make the purchase and try buying again using PayPal. In most cases, disabling this setting allows the payment to go through normally and the error disappears. By checking your account details and turning off blocked non-encrypted website payments, you can fix this PayPal error and complete your payment without any further issues. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.